There you have it, 5 rifles that many seasoned hunters approach with caution based on community experiences. Remember, choosing the right firearm can make a huge difference in your hunting success. Always handle rifles before buying, do your research, and listen to input from experienced hunters. If this video helped you make a more informed decision, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Share your experiences in the comments. Your knowledge helps the entire community. Stay safe and enjoy the outdoors. Number 5. Savage Axis Base Model. The Savage Axis entered the market as an entry-level option for new hunters. And while Savage Arms has a strong reputation, this particular model represents their most basic offering. Knowing what you're getting is important before purchasing. The base model features a lightweight synthetic stock that feels less solid than other Savage designs. The trigger system, while functional, doesn't offer the refinement found in Savage's AccuTrigger-equipped rifles. Its magazine release and carbon steel barrel are straightforward, but don't stand out in terms of overall feel or precision. Experienced hunters often overlook this model because the build feels minimal compared to other options. The action isn't as smooth as higher-tier rifles, and the stock flexes more than many shooters prefer. Many owners upgrade parts immediately to improve confidence in field performance. Pros: reliable function, acceptable accuracy for short to mid-range hunting. Cons: basic stock quality, trigger system lacks refinement, and often leads owners to upgrade. Number 4. Remington 770. The Remington 770 appeared during a challenging period for Remington when manufacturing consistency varied across product lines. This explains why so many hunters view it cautiously. The rifle features a synthetic stock, plastic trigger guard assembly, and a scope package that initially appears attractive. Its magazine design and bolt placement feel different from classic Remington actions that hunters trusted for decades. Performance concerns affected this model's reputation. Some owners reported feeding inconsistencies, extraction challenges, and accuracy that varied from rifle to rifle. The included scope mounts occasionally loosened, and the budget optics didn't always hold zero reliably. Pros: affordable entry-level package. Comes ready for basic use out of the box. Cons: inconsistent reliability between units. Accuracy varies widely, creating uncertainty for hunters. Number 3. Ruger American, Generation 1. Ruger refined this platform over time, but the first-generation American experienced early development issues that hunters still remember. This version featured Ruger's rotary magazine system, a synthetic stock with bedding blocks, and a trigger setup that showed potential but needed polishing. The tang safety location felt awkward for some shooters, and the stock shape didn't fit everyone comfortably. Early users noticed performance inconsistencies that later models fixed. The magazine occasionally struggled to feed smoothly, especially in cold weather. The stock material felt basic, and the exterior finish wore faster than expected. Many hunters who purchased this generation upgraded triggers, stocks, or magazines to improve overall consistency during the season. Pros: rotary magazine works well when properly functioning. Some rifles produced excellent accuracy after tuning. Cons: early production variances created mixed results. Stock feel and finish didn't meet Ruger's usual craftsmanship expectations. Number 2. Mossberg ATR 100. Mossberg is well respected for shotguns and rimfire rifles, but their early centerfire bolt-action models didn't reach the same level of recognition. The ATR 100 is an example of this mixed reception. The rifle included a button-rifled barrel, synthetic stock, detachable magazine, and integrated scope bases. The design aimed to offer a ready-to-use hunting package, using traditional safety and trigger layouts. Performance-related feedback focused on several aspects. The bolt felt somewhat rough during cycling and required extended break-in time to smooth out. Magazine feeding varied with different ammunition types, and extraction occasionally felt inconsistent. Accuracy potential existed, but often required careful ammunition testing. Build refinement was also noted. Stock attachment points sometimes loosened over time, the finish wore down with regular handling, and the rifle's overall feel didn't match the refinement of higher-end hunting models. Pros: integrated scope bases, button-rifled barrels were capable once paired with the right ammo. Cons: bolt operation felt less smooth than competitors. Feeding reliability depended heavily on ammunition choice. Number 1. Remington 710. The Remington 710 tops the list as the rifle many experienced hunters are cautious about recommending. This model emerged during a period when cost-cutting affected overall product refinement. The rifle included a synthetic stock, unique bolt design, integrated scope mounting system, and a magazine setup different from traditional Remington rifles. The idea behind the design was to offer an all-in-one entry-level hunting package. Accuracy feedback varied significantly from unit to unit. Some rifles grouped acceptably, while others struggled to deliver consistent precision regardless of ammunition or adjustments. The integrated scope mounts sometimes required frequent tightening to maintain zero throughout the season. Build quality inconsistencies also raised concerns among owners and gunsmiths, particularly with the bolt design and overall construction approach. As a result, many hunters preferred other models with more proven track records. Pros: budget-friendly, all-inclusive concept for beginners. Some units performed well after setup. Cons: wide variability in accuracy and reliability. Build consistency didn't match Remington's historical standards. Listen up, hunters. Some firearms look great on paper, but don't always deliver the dependable performance needed in the field. Today, we're counting down 5 rifles that many experienced hunters consider less ideal for their needs. These widely debated choices have sparked strong discussions across the hunting community, and understanding their limitations can help you avoid an expensive mistake. Stick around. Number 1 may surprise you because it's still available on the market today.